Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick nail wrap tutorial. Slamjams VIP group sent over a set for me to try, so let's just dive right into this and get started. I think this is going to be my next favorite way to do my nails because it's super quick, it's really cute, and it looks just as good, okay, maybe better, than painting my nails with nail polish. They're super easy to apply. All you have to do is peel off the protective film on the back, line it up with your nails, and smooth it out. To get rid of the excess wrap, just take a nail file and buffer the edges. The excess will fall off or tear off easily. Yeah, definitely better than painting my nails. You may be asking yourself, where can I get myself some of those wicked nail wraps? Well, go check out crystallogan.jamboree.com. It's super easy and way more affordable than getting your nails done at a salon. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for my next stream. If you haven't done so already, make sure you go follow me on Twitch, Twitter, and Instagram. Check out my Instagram story to vote for what game I should play next time and for a shout out in my next video.